151. Normal length of menstrual cycle is A. 21 days, B. 24 days, C. 28 days, D. 35 days. Answer: 28 days. 152 ovulation occurs around A. 7th day, B. 10th day, C. 14th day, D. 21st day. Answer: 14th day. 153 hormone responsible for ovulation. A. FSH, B. LH, C. Estrogen, D. Progesterone. Answer: LH. 154 fertilization normally occurs in A. Ovary, B. Cervix, C. Ampulla of fallopian tube, D. Uterus. Answer: Ampulla of fallopian tube. 155 implantation occurs about A. 3 आड़ी day, B. 5th day, C. 7th day, D. 14th day. Answer: 7th day. 156 normal duration of labor in primigravida. A. 6-8 hours, B. 8-10 hours, C. 12-14 hours, D. 18-24 hours. Answer: 12-14 hours. 157 longest stage of labor. A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Answer: First. 158 station of fetal head at ischial spine is A. 1, B. 0, C. +1, D. +2. Answer: 0. 159 engagement means A. Head at outlet, B. Biparietal diameter passes inlet, C. Cervix fully dilated, D. Baby delivered. Answer: Biparietal diameter passes inlet. 160 normal fetal heart rate. A. 90-110 min, B. 100-120 min, C. 120-160 min, D. 160-180 min. Answer: 120-160 min. 161 fundal height at 20 weeks. A. At symphysis pubis, B. Midway between umbilicus and symphysis, C. At umbilicus, D. Above umbilicus. Answer: At umbilicus. 162 quickening is felt at A. 12 weeks, B. 16 weeks, C. 18-20 weeks, D. 24 weeks. Answer: 18-20 weeks. 163 colostrum is rich in A. Fat, B. Carbohydrates, C. Proteins and antibodies, D. Water. Answer: Proteins and antibodies. 164 vitamin K deficiency causes A. Jaundice, B. Bleeding, C. Infection, D. Anemia. Answer: Bleeding. 165 lochia rubra lasts for A. 1-2 days, B. 3-4 days, C. 5-7 days, D. 10 days. Answer: 3-4 days. 166 lochia serosa lasts up to A. 3 days, B. 7 days, C. 10 days, D. 2 weeks. Answer: 10 days. 167 lochia alba lasts till A. 2 weeks, B. 3 weeks, C. 4 weeks, D. 6 weeks. Answer: 6 weeks. 168 Bishop score is used to assess A. Fetal growth, B. Pelvis. C. Cervical readiness. D. Placenta. Answer. Cervical readiness. 169. High BP, edema, proteinuria indicate. A. Eclampsia. B. Preeclampsia. C. Gestational diabetes. D. Anemia. Answer. Preeclampsia. 170. Drug of choice for eclampsia. A. Diazepam. B. Phenytoin. C. Magnesium sulfate. D. Mannitol. Answer. Magnesium sulfate. 171. Most common cause of PPH. A. Trauma. B. Retained placenta. C. Atonic uterus. D. Infection. Answer. Atonic uterus. 172. Ergometrine acts by. A. Relaxing uterus. B. Contracting uterus. C. Dilating cervix. D. Reducing pain. Answer. Contracting uterus. 173. Oxytocin is used for. A. Pain relief. B. Cervical ripening. C. Induction of labor. D. Infection control. Answer. Induction of labor. 174. Prom means. A. Premature rupture of membranes. B. Prolonged rupture. C. Partial rupture. D. Placental rupture. Answer. Premature rupture of membranes. 175. Best position during labor. A. Supine. B. Lithotomy. C. Left lateral. D. Prone. Answer. Left lateral. 176. Upper score is assessed at. A. 1 min only. B. 5 min only. C. 1 and 5 min. D. 10 min. Answer. 1 and 5 min. 177. Neonatal period is. A. Birth 7 days. B. Birth 14 days. C. Birth 21 days. D. Birth 28 days. Answer. Birth 28 days. 178. Umbilical cord normally has. A. एक artery, एक vein. B. 2 arteries, एक vein. C. एक artery, 2 veins. D. 2 arteries only. Answer. 2 arteries, एक vein. 179. Best method to prevent puerperal infection. A. Antibiotics. B. Proper nutrition. C. Hand washing. D. Immunization. Answer. Hand washing. 180. Breastfeeding should be started within. A. 6 hours. B. 4 hours. C. 2 hours. D. 1 hour. Answer. 1 hour. 181. Exclusive breastfeeding recommended for. A. 3 months. B. 4 months. C. 6 months. D. 9 months. Answer. 6 months. 182. Common cause of cracked nipples. A. Infection. B. Poor latch. C. Excess milk. D. Hormonal change. Answer. Poor latch. 183. Smallest diameter of fetal skull. A. Suboccipitobregmatic. B. Occipitofrontal. C. Mentovertical. D. Submentobregmatic. Answer. Suboccipitobregmatic. 184. Breech presentation means. A. Head first. B. Buttocks first. C. Shoulder first. D. Face first. Answer. Buttocks first. 185. Face presentation denominator. A. Occiput. B. Chin. C. Brow. D. Sacrum. Answer. Chin. 186 denominator in breech. A. Occiput. B. Sacrum. C. Chin. D. Shoulder. Answer. Sacrum. 187 normal blood loss in vaginal delivery. A. 100 milliliter. B. 250 milliliter. C. 500 milliliter. D. 750 milliliter. Answer. 500 milliliter. 188 normal blood loss in LSCS. A. 500 milliliter. B. 750 milliliter. C. 1000 milliliter. D. 1500 milliliter. Answer. 1000 milliliter. 189 common cause of neonatal hypothermia. A. Infection. B. Cold environment. C. Birth injury. D. Jaundice. Answer. Cold environment. 190 Vernix gaseosa helps in A. Heat loss. B. Protection of skin. C. Infection spread. D. Respiration. Answer. Protection of skin. 191 fontanelle that closes first. A. Posterior. B. Anterior. C. Lateral. D. Mastoid. Answer. Posterior. 192 anterior fontanelle closes at A. 3 months. B. 6 months. C. 9 months. D. 18 months. Answer. 18 months. 193 physiological weight loss in newborn. A. 2-3%. B. 5-7%. C. 10-15%. D. 20%. Answer. 5-7%. 194 vitamin given to prevent hemorrhagic disease. A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin K. Answer. Vitamin K. 195 blue baby syndrome is due to A. Anemia. B. Hypoxia. C. Infection. D. Dehydration. Answer. Hypoxia. 196 most common congenital anomaly. A. Cleft lip palate. B. Heart defect. C. Hydrocephalus. D. Spina bifida. Answer. Heart defect. 197 IUCD works mainly by A. Killing sperm. B. Preventing implantation. C. Preventing ovulation. D. Thickening mucus only. Answer. Preventing. 198 barrier method example. A. IUCD. B. Oral pill. C. Condom. D. Injection. Answer. A condom. 199 MTP consent required from A. Husband. B. Parents. C. Woman herself. D. Doctor. Answer. Woman herself. 200 aim of antenatal care is to A. Detect complications early. B. Treat disease only. C. Hospitalize all women. D. Reduce labor pain.